Hello everyone, if your YouTube recap is not showing on your phone, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your YouTube recap to appear on your phone easily. So first of what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your YouTube app and then you're going to click onto your profile here at the bottom right corner, and then you're going to click at the settings icon at the top right corner, and then you're going to go on to your data in YouTube here, and here you're going to scroll down and you're going to click onto YouTube watch history here. And here you need to make sure that your YouTube history along with the sub settings include the YouTube videos you watch and include your searches on YouTube are all turned on. So just make sure that these three settings are turned on. After that, you need to make sure that your YouTube account is not a brand account. And after that, you're just going to click on your account here, and you need your YouTube account to be a personal account and not a brand account. If it is a personal account, it won't say anything, but if it is a brand account, it will say brand account. Just like as you can see here, TutorWalt is a brand account and it shows brand account. My Harzi account is a personal account, so it doesn't say anything. So you need to make sure that your YouTube account is a personal account. And if it is a personal account, then you're just going to need to wait a couple more days as YouTube is still slowly rolling out YouTube recap for users worldwide. So just wait for a couple more days and you'll hopefully get your YouTube recap on your phone. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.